Happy International Day for Biodiversity from the Natural History Museum of Jamaica at the Institute of Jamaica. This May 22nd, we invite you to celebrate with us Jamaica's natural heritage and agrobiodiversity in its various forms, from the Caribbean Sea to our mountain ranges, coral reefs, seagrass beds, mangroves, beaches, rocky shores, scrub savannas, rivers, wet and dry montane forests all attest to the natural beauty of our island state. Jamaica's food security must ensure adequate food production, successful agricultural trade, and healthy diets. These depend on the protection of different wild stocks of plants and animals, including those of medicinal value, our culinary traditions, and diversity in the crops and livestock for domestic and export markets. The uniqueness of Jamaica's biodiversity is well represented in our varied landscapes. Among our natural assets are approximately 3,000 plant species, of which nearly 28% are endemic to Jamaica, that is, found nowhere else in the world. This includes 316 endemic tree species. Did you know that all 21 species of our native frogs are endemic? And approximately 90% of the 561 species of land snails are also endemic. Native and globally rare species of cultural significance are the endemic red-billed streamer-tailed hummingbird, or Dr. bird, or national bird, and the Lignum vitae flower, our national flower. Notably, the Lignum vitae is classified as an endangered species by the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. This means that unregulated exploitation of the tree for timber and medicine across the West Indies and a few Latin American countries could eventually result in this species' extinction. Globally, the ravages of habitat loss and degradation, overconsumption, invasive species, pollution, and climate change are hastening species extinction, more hunger and poverty, loss of land and infrastructure at an alarming rate. Jamaica, along with 196 parties to the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity, has agreed to adopt the updated global strategy for tackling threats to and facilitating sustainable use of biodiversity. The Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework, as it is called, will form the basis of the next National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan for Jamaica. The framework envisions a world living in harmony with nature by 2050, with necessary actions for realizing the vision being fully implemented by 2030. What could this vision look like for us Jamaicans? Perhaps the use of less polluting technologies as we continue on our path to development, the incorporation of more biodiversity into our urban landscapes, greater partnerships with civil society in formulating environmental policies and surveying biodiversity, greater civic pride in our national heritage and its active conservation, and facilitation of local scientists and farmers in finding innovative solutions for environmental and agricultural problems. Whatever your view, let all Jamaica unite in conserving our biodiversity and securing our sustainable future.